What's up Xiaomi fans, Christian here, welcome again to All About Me, where I talk about Xiaomi products. This is the MITU Drone Mini, which is one of the affordable drones out there today. And let's see if this is any good. Let's go! Let's quickly unbox this. I got this from Banggood. I have a link in the description below. You can check that out for some deals that they're having today. So opening the box, you'll find the MITU Drone Mini, which is the main motor. You also have the user manuals, which is multilingual, including English, and there's the battery. It comes with a one-piece battery, and you'll get the propeller guards. There are 4 of them, and there will be propeller, and there'll be a total of 6 with 2 extras. You'll also be given a micro USB for charging. So let's quickly install the battery, and this red label over there with the red dot on the propeller, this is for the forward, and the other ones are for reverse. And we'll install the propeller guards. It's quite sturdy for the propeller guard. It's quite flexible and sturdy, so it will protect the propellers itself. So on the front, you'll see the infrared receiver and the infrared transmitter, and you also have the camera, which is 720p. At the side, you'll have the micro USB charging port, and at the back, you have the battery release and the second infrared receiver. And on the other side, you'll have the power button. And let's move along to its specs. Starting with the battery, it has a 920 milliamperes of battery, which is not as big, as flying time is only up to 10 minutes. Charging time is 60 minutes, remote control distance is 50 meters, but I won't recommend that you do that because in an open field, especially if it's windy, you might lose the drone itself. And the camera is 720p. The size of the drone is 91 by 91 by 38 millimeter, which is pretty small, and it's lightweight. It's only 88 grams. Image resolution is 1600 by 1200, and the video resolution is 1280 by 720, which is an HD quality video. Controller is via the app, and its FPV signal is via Wi-Fi. App system is compatible with both iOS and Android. So let's move along on the setup. The app is called MITU Drone Mini, which is available on the Apple App Store. For the Google Play Store, you have to scan the QR code for you to download the app. And then after that, you have to power the drone. After powering the drone, just follow the prompts on the screen on how to connect via the Wi-Fi for you to connect and be able to control the drone via your phone or using the app itself. And once you're connected, you can now play around with the controls itself. So you'll see the joystick control, which you can ascend, descend, rotate clockwise or counterclockwise. You can move forward, backward, turn left or right, and you can also snap a photo as well as record a video. And there are some flight or smart flight and control at the top left, which is one tap to ascend and descend, palm takeoff, infrared battle, you have the G sensor, 4 directional roll, and headless mode. And I know you'll be excited, but I do suggest that you watch or read the instruction manual or the step-by-step guide on the app itself. Other things you can do is like the calibration of the drone itself, and you can have like the infrared bottle. This is quite cool, but you need to have 2 drones. So one for you and then probably one for your friend so that you can have a virtual bottle via infrared. Hence you have the front and back infrared on the drone itself. Other options you can find under the settings, like downloading the photos or videos. And I'm now ready to fly the drone. And before flying, make sure you check the rules and laws on your area or in your country or your city on flying drones. So and also if you go outside, look for a place where it's not too windy, and if you do it indoors, make sure you have a bigger area. And I like the drone. It's pretty responsive, it's easy to control, and it does more than what I was expecting for. And but the only thing is that it easily gets blown away by the wind. And one more thing, the battery life is not very lasting. It would probably just last 5 minutes at most when I tested it. If you do it indoors with probably zero wind, then probably you get closer to 10 minutes. But you can always purchase additional batteries, or as well as the propellers. You can order it via the website. You can check the link that I have in the description below, and you can search there if you want to purchase additional accessories. And this is a sample video taken via the drone itself. It doesn't have any image stabilization, and the quality of the video is not really that fantastic, but it's good enough. It's just that it's too shaky, and it doesn't have any audio at all, so there's no microphone built in on the drone. Let me know what you think. You can leave your comments down below. Give it a thumbs up if you do like this video, and if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. I will be uploading a ton of Xiaomi product videos for its headphone, for ecosystem. So I'll see you guys on the next one.